I always wondered what it was like to fly, soaring in the winds, whispering to the sky, making friends with the doves, hawks, and ravens. Even the hummingbirds can't be mistaken, small yet furious, a mighty machine. Nothing can stop their destination, their whirling wings. Such mystery in the air, no one really knows the world that exists where the eagles go. The sparrows, the mockingbirds, the red cardinals all have the right to make the sky their playground every day and every night. Up, up to the stars, they are so near. A bird's view of the galaxies must be stunningly clear. Magical memories of the beauty of life. Freedom, no fear, only just flight. Take me for a ride, dear tiny soul. Show me how high your wings can go.